Hello lovelies, welcome to the Amora workshop. Here is where I make corsets and lingerie for everyone, including you. Everything is custom made, exactly to your unique figure. Ethical and sustainable, get your beautiful set from malamora.com. For more of me and my wonderful workshop, visit the link below. See you soon, gorgeous.